What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test another chainsaw Gadget. It's a chainsaw body. It looks like a claw if you look at the picture, so I thought it might be very useful. So let's see if it's actually is. Let's open it up, and it's all assembled already. A little piece like that, looks like a claw. Okay, what else is there? There's a bunch of screws in there. Okay, let's put it all together and let's see if it's going to make it easier to cut smaller firewood or not. And what we're supposed to do is attach it. Looks like there's a bunch of screws right here. Hopefully it came with the Allen wrench. Yep. There you go. Going to unspin it a little bit so we can put it in. So then the installation gonna go right into here. And of course we want this cloth to be at the end right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna screw it in. These things I guess can go into here. I have no idea what for, but we'll figure it out. I know what it's for. When you're gonna start cutting the log, a log will start rolling in, and this will stop the logs from rolling. That's a good idea. One is on this side and one gonna go on this side. Also, I forgot to mention it. When you set it up, you see how this metal piece is blocking the chain. And right here, so when we're going to cut on the ground, we don't have to worry about as much hitting the dirt, hitting the rock, and dull out our chainsaw. This is the idea of it, for cutting small branches on the ground. Also, very important, you see, if I move the blade, it's not hitting this little gadget. Make sure you tie it up really tight as well. You don't want to lose anything. It doesn't hurt to double check to make sure you made it really tight, so that way it's not gonna fly off while you're working on it. Okay, let's see. Oh wow! I really don't have to worry about hitting the ground. If I want to hit the ground, if you look at this, I was running it and it would not hit the wood or the dirt. The only problem I do not like, these pieces kind of sometimes come off. So you gotta watch out for these two pieces from the vibration not to lose them. You put it in first. Put it in. And I don't have to worry about the rocks or the dirt. And you see when the log is moving, it's catching it. Okay, let's look at this scenario. We have here smaller sticks. We're gonna do them all at the same time. 4 sticks at the same time. Let's see if it's actually going to work. Not bad. As you can see, you gotta be careful with smaller pieces because it will jump. And when it does that, your chain gets stuck. When you cut in smaller pieces like this, don't cut them like that because it will jump and hit and mess up your whole rig and stop the chainsaw. So the smaller pieces to the end, try to put them as close as possible to these teeth right here. Also these teeth, now that I tie them really well, they have not been coming out, so that's good. So that's one thing you really want to watch out. When you cut in the short sticks, still have to probably cut it in 2 more times. Just watch out for them not to fly into it. Maybe the best part is still step on it on one side, but the coolest part, you don't have to worry about hitting your chainsaw on a dirt, which is good, or on the rocks, because if you do, you're going to dull out your chainsaw so fast with dirt and rocks. So let's try this again. And as you can see, you can still cut the smaller branches with this jig on it. So it's actually not bad. I like it a lot. Takes a little bit of practice to get used to it. So don't go full crazy at it. Kind of take it easy and learn what it does when you have a wood, because sometimes it will jump and roll around in your chainsaw and it's really annoying. But honestly, I love it. You know, all these little logs like this, it's really annoying to cut on the ground. With this jig, very easy. So you know what, I give this a huge thumbs up. More modification and make it even better, so that way when you do hit some kind of stick and it's all around, this whole rig moved and stopped my chainsaw. So I want to watch out for that. But honestly, for how much it cost and how simple, I think it's a great idea, and I'm definitely gonna use it a lot. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.